In the 1800s, a French soldier named René Laennec was battling a persistent cough. Little did he know, this cough would lead to a groundbreaking discovery. While seeking treatment, Laennec stumbled upon a peculiar phenomenon. As he coughed, he noticed that the sound echoed differently through various materials. This sparked an idea that would change medicine forever. Years later, in 1895, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen officially discovered X-rays, but Laennec's accidental observation laid the groundwork for understanding how sound and light interact with the human body. Imagine a world where a simple cough opened the door to medical imaging, a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected moments can lead to revolutionary breakthroughs.
Want more mind-blowing accidental discoveries? Drop a comment and hit that bell.